soft and so pretty. Wiggins hair, y'all did y'all thing on this unit. Like, y'all, it's giving fall. No, because I don't think y'all heard me. Do y'all see just how much Wiggins hair ate this wig up and left no crumbs? Not to mention, this was definitely a hair collab on my list, so I can check it off now. All glory to God. Shout out to Wiggins hair for sending me over this bomb 4/613 highlight unit, y'all. Everything about this hair is so bomb. I still have it in my head. When I say the softest, the most bombest highlight wig I've ever put on my head, I mean just that. If y'all are interested to see how I got this bust down middle part with this color, with this install, with this just everything, just keep on watching, y'all. It's definitely giving fall. You definitely need this wig. Stay tuned. You know, because while my intro got me hot right now, Wiggins hair, like I said, they did their thing, y'all. I can't wait to just voice over this video. I'm showing y'all everything that came in a package. Love the goodies that they sent over, y'all. I'm so excited to be working with them. One time for the ball cap, though. Just one time for the ball cap. She's not bad. I don't know, my ball caps usually be sliding back, be doing all type of stuff. Y'all know I be going through with my bar caps, but today it wasn't looking too bad. Here is the unit straight out the package. I'm just showing y'all how it looks. By the way, y'all, this is a 24-inch. You would think it was a 30. When I tell y'all the length was lengthening, I'm using color 16 now in my Ruby Kisses, and that really did it for my bar cap and just my overall install. That's definitely my color. It's so pretty. Colors, everything. I included these little talking pieces so y'all can genuinely see like how in love I was with this hair and this color. Like, who said the brown skin girls couldn't wear blonde? Who? Because this is a perfect blonde unit for us, y'all. Like, I'm just in love. But like I was saying, what was I saying? I'm pretty sure I was trying to get into the details of the unit, and I was telling y'all about the color of the Ruby Kisses foundation that I use now, which is 16, which fits me really best. And this lace was a little light, so it definitely helped in getting the perfect skin tone for myself. Y'all, this is, like I said, a 24-inch 4/613 highlight unit. So bomb. They colored this wig perfectly, and for it to be a highlighted wig, like a bleached processed wig, it was so soft. Even after me bleaching the knots, even after me washing it, like, I genuinely see the hype with Wiggins hair. The quality is out of this world. This is a 13x4, and I did get this wig in 200 density. I will have all the information down below for y'all. Check out that link in the description box. I promise you ain't gonna want to miss out and skip out on adding this wig to your collection, because you need it today. Okay, it's definitely giving the perfect fall unit. I believe they came out with this unit kind of like in the summer, transitioning into fall, and it's just perfect, y'all. So y'all just see me applying my boho active. Of course, I did 2 layers, and I did go ahead and do this wig in sections, because if I'm not mistaken, I did get a large cap size, but for some reason with my hairline, like the way that it's designed, baby, I had to definitely cut this in parts. If you want to like definitely get a good fit or a customization on your wig, go ahead and just cut it in parts and like literally glue it in sections. It helps me with my low hairline. My hairline is only low on the sides of my head, like at my temples, as y'all know. So yeah, I definitely went ahead and cut my lace up and just applied it in 3 sections, and I definitely loved doing this. It worked out for me. But yeah, y'all, I'm kind of holding the other side because I was definitely praying like, God, please. I had to stretch it on this side just a little bit, but we made it do what it do, and the install came out so bomb. So yeah, y'all just see me laying the glue down. I took my time with this install, and I can tell when I take my time with the install versus when I'm rushing to get it done, which I'm gonna stop doing that. It's no reason to rush, especially when I'm doing these videos for y'all. I mean, the installs come out good, but when I'm really taking my time and like not caring if it's gonna take me hours to get the wig on, that's when they come out the best. So now I'm just going in with some Eben, the black bottle, on top of that, just to give me some extra security, because I did have to kind of tug and pull at this unit for it to fit perfectly on my head. I'm using a bomb elastic band. I love that the hair companies are including elastic bands with like their, you know, company name on them. That's so cute, and they're black and pink. Like, come on. But anyways, as y'all can see, yeah, it's giving late. It's giving late for sure. And I'm just obsessed with the color. Like I said, it is a 4/613. The 4 being the brown and the 613 being the highlights. So pretty. As y'all can see, like I said, the lace was a little light. So I'm just going to be going on top of this with my Ruby Kisses once again. But here y'all see me cutting the lace. And yeah, this part is pretty self-explanatory. We're just going to do a nice bust down middle part and just ignore this whole entire side of my head. That's what we're going to do. And I'm selling this wig because obviously it can't freaking fit my head. I don't know. This side is okay, but this side, it's not okay. And I was trying to I'm trying to clean this because I don't think, see y'all freaking see this cut? It burns so bad. I'm gonna just do my best to clean this. I'm literally trying to look at this, y'all. It's making me want to rip the whole wig off because I don't want to freaking have an infection on the side of my head. Look at the lace. Lace got blood on. I just knew I had slashed my freaking side of my face. I felt it, y'all. That looks so bad. Please be careful when you use the scissors, razors. Like the way that I had that, don't do that. Like always cut your lace like this. Don't do it. Just don't. Okay, so that was a lie. It was definitely sped up. If you were a little lost, your girl definitely slashed the side of her forehead while she was cutting her lace. And I had a little bit of a meltdown for a second, but it's fine. Everything ended up working out. Y'all, that side of my head was just definitely I was having a hard time. It wasn't the wig, it was me at that point. I definitely had a little meltdown because of me cutting my lace. Cutting my skin, and it was a deep cut too. See, there we go. But anyways, I'm using spritz on the outside of the lace. We had to make it do what it do. I was just talking and just had a little moment, but I was determined to get this install to be laid. So yeah, I had to clean the cut as best as I could, y'all. It literally was bleeding on my lace and everything. It was crazy. But anyways, I used my spritz on the outsides of the unit to further melt it, and I also used the even too, and that definitely, it was giving laid. Now I definitely could have went in with my comb, which I did, y'all just didn't see, to kind of loosen up the edges of the hair because I use those products. It definitely laid it. It just depends on the look that you're going for. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna go in with my comb to loosen that up so that it's just not so harsh, is what I'm trying to say. And then I'm also sectioning off the hair and applying my Care wax stick and using my hot comb to lay that flat. We doing a bust down middle part, so we need it to be bust down, we need it to be flat, we need it to be laid. So after a while, I got it as flat as I could. I mapped out my my little edges that I was fixing to do. I didn't spend too much time on those because I think I was running out of storage on this SD card, so I had to cut it short. But y'all get the gist. I'm definitely just mapping them out, trying to make them match. I always cut them long, then I go in and cut them short and kind of tweak them and play with them and all that good stuff. Y'all, just get into it. We not even finished yet, but it's just giving. So yeah, y'all see me kind of playing with the baby hairs and all that. Like I said, I will leave all the information in the description box once again, so check that out and shop Wiggins hair. I'm definitely gonna be in the business of collabing with them more, whether I gotta buy a unit or just they hit me up again, because y'all, the quality of this hair, so bomb. I was thinking about selling this wig, y'all, but I don't know. I might have to keep her. We just gonna have to see. I broke the top while I was moving on this olive oil serum, but it's okay. I'm just gonna take some of that. Y'all also see me seeing me clean up the part with my, I think that stuff is called high beams, like a root cover up. So yeah, I'm just going in with my flat iron on the highest setting with that serum. And y'all, when I say it was moving, I didn't want to spend too much time on this because y'all know how to flat iron hair, and I don't think nobody want to watch that all day. Yeah, slow-mo, it's cute. Yeah, let's get into it. Let's really talk about it. Do y'all see the way that they bodied this color? And look how it's moving. Look at how it's moving. I only used a little bit of that serum, of course, to give me that just sleek look. But y'all, I was so pleased with this install. Genuinely recommend them as a company and this wig. I definitely want to try a natural color and some other textures in their hair. Shout out to them. So glad that they hit me up. Yeah, y'all gonna see a lot of clips. Can we just get into it? I was trying to make these clips smaller, but it's just I was just serving the girls. I usually just like to turn on my camera and let it roll for a couple minutes and just pose. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Shout out again to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring this video. I hope to collab with y'all again. Thank you so much for watching my videos, y'all, just in general, supporting the channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I am very active on TikTok especially. So yeah, your girl almost to 1K. But yeah, y'all, that's the install. Oh, and by the way, did y'all peep that I did not do no side burn edges? Yeah, I was a little lazy. I just wanted to kind of just do the front. But yeah. So soft and so pretty. Wiggins hair, y'all did y'all thing on this unit, like y'all. So in love with this. Shout out to Wiggins hair once again. Collab with your girl again. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.